This is my bike check. I know I just recently did one, but I got a lot of new parts, so I thought I'd update you guys. First off, I got new grips. I got ODI Longnecks. I replaced the Del Rosas because they wear out too fast, and these last forever. Regular ODI PC Barons. I still got my kink bars, kink links. Really good bars. Only a little bit scratched up, they don't bend at all. Superstar F9 stem. Great stem, doesn't need to be tightened ever. Bars don't move. Salt Pro headset. Salt forks. They're good, I guess. Odyssey Vandera 2 hub. Laced to Odyssey quadrant rim. Running animal butcher pegs in the front and the back. The frame, it's just a WeThePeople Trust stock frame, 21-inch top tube. It's really good. I like it. I got new pedals, twisted PC pedals. Really good. Got new cranks also. Odyssey Twombolts. Really strong. Don't really ever come loose. New bottom bracket. Odyssey. Still running the King Sound sprocket. It's an awesome sprocket. I recommend it to everyone. Just a regular KMC chain. Who cares? New seat. Odyssey Aitken seat. It's really comfortable. The back rim and hub. It's a Primo Mix cassette hub with a Primo balance rim. McNeil valve cap. Another animal butcher. Still got a WeThePeople feeling tire. Bald. Salt pitch raw tire. Bald. And I think I got everything, so that's my bike check. If you enjoyed it, like the video, leave a comment.
Or a reaction.
Sure, and a reaction. And subscribe please. And that's pretty much it.